How to fix chat message limit on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix chat message limit on TikTok. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to tap and hold TikTok application and then tap on eye icon. Now select storage uses and tap clear cache. Clearing cache of TikTok will fix different kinds of glitches and bugs appeared on the TikTok app. The next step you need to do is simply check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you need to head into the TikTok app, tap the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Head towards three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and tap Setting and Privacy. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Logout. Tap Logout and you need to log back into this account. If the issue persists, close the app and wait 24 to 48 hours. After this try time, you need to try sending a message again. And your chat message limit on TikTok will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.